This is going to be the first in a series of videos on changing the battery in your remote control. Let's start out with this older Genie. I think it's an AT95. Flip it over. There's a screw there. Undo the Phillips screw. If there's a clip in the way, remove that. This one didn't happen to have one. Flip it over. Take the case off. There's your battery. 9 volt. Pull that puppy out of there. You got 2 terminals that the battery connects to. It can be a good idea if it's a really well used remote to pull it out of there. Check the contacts, make sure they're clean. Maybe even tweak the little copper tabs out a little bit so the battery gets a better contact. Snap it back into place. Pop in a new battery. It can only go on one way, so you really can't screw that up. Test it. Thing lights up. Put the cover back on. Put the screw back in. And as long as you haven't touched the dip switches or anything else, you should be good to go. Always test it once you put the case back on and make sure the button's good. And there you have it. How to change the battery in a Genie AT95.